Hello, good evening everyone. Okay, hello, my Penang Triran Al Sawit DH Plantation Cresto. Okay, OSK at at Con, right? Okay, Jan Tat. Okay, no problem. Hello, Jordan. HSI, is the uptrend rally still valid? Okay, no problem. Later we review together. And okay, so yeah, today content let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMKLCI, follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, and yeah, please help us to click like and also share this video lah. Okay, I know recently the market sentiment not so good lah. Okay, so need your help to share around. Okay, so that we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, so okay, Jordan. Okay, HSI valid. Okay, later we review. Okay, 9988 sort of no strength to go up further. Okay, maybe they need to take some rest lah, but no problem. Later we review together. Okay, let's warm up with the market first. Okay, the overall US market actually they are still in the sideways. Okay, for Dow Jones as we can see, okay, since end of January until now, actually they are not going anywhere. Okay, not really have a big movement, either big move out or big move down. No, okay, they are just in a sideway. Okay, when was since I can say since end of January until now lah. Okay, so but what we can see is the volatility were getting smaller now. Okay, compared to previously. Okay, maybe market started to stabilize lah. Okay, this is what I assume. Okay, so I will still remain the same as long as they are still within 44 to 45k. No direction yet. Okay, pending for the breakthrough either level. Okay, and how about the S&P? Okay, S&P actually they are creating new all-time high already, which is somewhere around 6140, and last night closing is more on indecisive. Okay, if compared, okay, actually Dow Jones is slightly neutral, more on sideways, but S&P is more on bullish bias lah. Okay, so long they are above 6001, I will say they are still pretty bullish. Okay, and Nasdaq as well. Last night closing considered neutral, but I can say they are creating new all-time high again. Okay, and they are still pretty bullish lah. Okay, last night closing for Dow Jones, S&P, and the Nasdaq is more on neutral. Okay, maybe market don't have any big move, and markets still awaiting for good or bad news. Okay, so they are more on the neutral mood. But based on the structural point of view, US market is still very strong. Okay, it's still very strong. Okay, let's go for our next one is oil price. Okay, how is the oil price going? Okay, oil price is rebounding. Okay, so as we can see Monday they do make a good comeback to erase the Friday losses. Okay, yesterday closing still alright, and today they climb back above $72. Okay, but weekly point of view they need to close above $72. Okay, then only got chance to raise up further lah. Otherwise we still remain bearish bias. Okay, how about the gold price? Okay, gold price is still very bullish. Okay, they not really have a retracement. Yesterday made a strong comeback, and I think they do have potential to test 3,000 lah. Okay, so long they are above 2850, gold is still very bullish. Okay, how about the Bitcoin? No direction. Okay, they are still in the sideway. They yet to break below 92k and yet to break above 108k. Okay, so they are in a sideway mood since last year November until now. Okay, so Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is more on the sideways mood. Okay, even the altcoins also diam lah. Okay, and Ethereum as well. Okay, more on bearishness lah for Ethereum because they already below 200 MAs and now they are still in the sideways zone. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to break above 2008 minimum. Minimum 2008. Best if can go above 3000. Okay, only got hope lah. Otherwise, I would say they are more into a sideways mood, just like what happened last year. Okay, sideways here for a couple of months, okay, until something happened, then they only can shoot up, okay, otherwise neutral. Okay, how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, as we can see on Monday, they consider breakdown below 1588, 1590, right? So on Tuesday, we can see the open gap down, they test a bottom at 1575. By end of day, they managed to close at somewhere around 1584. And for today, market is more on neutral. Okay, so we can see bull and bear also fighting. I would say it's more on neutral mode. Okay, but if we base on the overall market sentiment, we can see today should be 700 over, counter is red. Okay, only 200 plus is a green count. Close green now, okay, the counters. So as we can see, the overall market sentiment is more on bearish bias, okay, for the overall KLCI lah. Okay, so yep, that's all for the KLCI, and let's go for our stocks Q&A. So yeah, I believe due to the market sentiment, we have lesser viewers and also lesser question. Okay, so if you have any question or any stocks you want me to review, then you can just drop in. Okay, so we can talk for 1 hour. Okay, so first one is a Triren. Okay, Triren is still, I would say they are still weak lah. Okay, I yet to detect any sign of rebounding. Okay, I need to see some volume. Okay, at the moment, I still haven't see any volume come back. Okay, I need something like this lah, minimum or some hammer like candle best if with volume, but this time you can see no volume lah, that's why no strength. Okay, they only bounce up here and gonna continue sell down. So based on here, what I see is they are still remain weak. Okay, and we need to be patient and wait for them to stabilize, go sideways, and buyer come in. Okay, wait for the first day buyer come in, only plan for the entry or start look into it lah. Okay, today still nothing to see yet. Okay, how about the RSA week? Okay, RSA week, I would say they are more on the bearish note because they already below all moving averages, especially below 200 MAs. But on the bright side, okay, they still got the last defense, okay, which is at 215 lah. Okay, so if we base on the bigger pictures, we can see these are RSA week since 2024. I think somewhere around March lah. Until now, they are just in a big sideway. Right. So meaning, okay, the big sideway strong support is at 215. Cannot break down lah. Okay, once break down, susah liao lah. Okay, tak cantik. Okay, now already show some weakening. Okay, and already give you a first warning lah. Okay, and the last defense, if you're still interested with discounters, we need to see whether they can stay above 215 or not. And if we base on the volume point of view, you can see actually the volume is not so much. Okay, so I assume even they didn't break down, they might take times to go sideways. Okay, so yeah, pending for buyer come in as well lah. Okay, today volume slight improve lah compared to last few days, but I would say they are more into sideways. But yeah, above 215 still okay lah. Okay, still ada chance lah. How about the TH Plantation? Oh, ini also remain weak. No strength as well. Okay, TH Plantation last year August they already broke down below 200 MAs, but they do recovered. Okay, back in October, but this year January they break down again. Okay, break down below 200 MAs. So now we can see today closing also more on bearish note. Okay, and higher volume lah. So this also indicate that the seller is stronger than the buyer. Okay, so based on this, I would say they also weak. Okay, you can see 200 MAs here. Okay, they already break down. So where's the next support? Okay, probably here low. Okay, 550. Okay, I would say they are bearish. Okay, so see any support. Okay, if they have any support when the price near 550. Okay, if any supported, okay, or any reversal signal here, maybe they do have chance for the rebound trade. But if they close below 550, memang tak cantik lah this one. Okay, next one is a Crest Do. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is still alright. Okay, you can see the big trend is still in the uptrending mode. Okay, only short term, they are weakening. Okay, because the price, you can see 20 MA cross 50, 20 MA cross the, oh, this one cross up. Okay, yeah, almost cross the 100 MAs. Okay, and I would say short term is more on weakening, and now they might come back to revisit this support zone 130, 135. Okay, this is a support zone. If they can stay above, the long term trend is still okay. But if they break below 130, memang tak cantik lah. Okay, and from the bigger point of view, okay, we can see they do have a, okay, I can say this is considered a so-called triple top already lah. Okay, tested, okay, test 3 times already, still unable to clear, so a little bit dangerous lah. Once they break below 130, they may go to 115 or even lower. So from here point of view, we can see they are a little bit topish lah. Okay, and likely they might revisit, and the confirmation is whether they can break or not lah. Okay, if they break, we will see more downside. Okay, how about the OSK? Okay, go back to Malaysia. Okay, OSK is still fine lah. Okay, still in an uptrending mood. Wow. Okay, let me delete all the lines. Well, if you base on the trend, they recovered on 2020 November and continue their uptrend. Okay, if by zooming out, the big trend, well, they have been uptrend for quite some times. Okay, only sideways during 2015 until 2019 lah. Okay, and back in the COVID time, they do have impacted a bit, but end of year they already recovered. Okay, until now they are still stay very well above 200 MAs lah. So on and off they will have due to overbought, then they need to have some correction now. Okay, just like what happened back then. They also move out a lot. They come back to retest 200 MAs, rebound sideways. So move out a lot. Maybe they need to come back down sideways and continue uptrend. Okay, this is what I see on the bigger pictures lah. Okay, short term point of view, yeah, small profit taking activities, but the mid to long term, they are still fine. Okay, they are still fine. So depends on your objective, okay, of discounters lah. If you are short term trader, of course, you need to take note on your resistance. Maybe 180 is a level you need to cabut already. Okay, or below 20 MA, you need to cabut already. Okay, if you are short term or trading point of view lah. If you are holding long term, they are still okay lah. Okay, and 10 or 200 MAs is a 160. So I would say, yep, still good. ADVCON. Okay, Advanced Con, got CON. Okay, the name got CON, sometimes it's a con. Okay. Okay, these counters, let's see. 2017 pump up. Okay, after 2017 already washed down until today. So still very weak lah. Okay, still very weak. And very illiquid. Okay, on the bright side, yeah, the trading volumes improve. Okay, but on the downside is quite illiquid and they might sideways for some times lah. Okay, recently the volume I can say is maybe much better. Okay, maybe this is the only bright side only lah. Okay, so for support, yeah, as we can see back in the 2023, they do supported somewhere around, okay, if we zoom out, we can see back in 2018, 2020, and 2023, they do supported somewhere around 230, 235. Okay, now they back to the support zone with some volumes. So, yeah, do have chance lah. Okay, but I would say this is a higher risk counters due to the liquidity. Okay, so once, okay, they are in the sideways mode, right? So once they can break through 260, maybe we can see something lah. Okay, just like, yeah, just like here low. Okay, once they break out, maybe they will have a pull up. So this one also sideways ma. Okay, if they are able to break out 260, okay, closing above, maybe they might pull up to maybe 30 cents or even higher, maybe. Okay, but if they didn't break through, okay, not able to break through, they might remain sideways lah. Okay, this is a what? At con. Okay, should be at con lah. Okay, how about the Janta? Janta is still weak lah. Okay, still weak. Okay, high volume sell down on 5th of February and 6th of February. Then market remains sideways. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, volume improve. Okay, seems like they found a support at around 280. Okay, but I would say overall they are still very weak lah. Okay, so what we can bet on is maybe they do have a support over here. Maybe they do have chance to rebound up further. Okay, as long as above 280, sorry, above 280, maybe okay. Okay, but if they can bounce out, I don't think too much room lah. Okay, maybe to here only, 315 like that. Okay, due to previously they do supported here, then break down on 27th of January. Okay, now even they can bounce up, here would be their resistance. But overall, I would say even bounce up, you can see just like here lah. Maybe found a support, bounce up, no strength. Okay, bounce up, continue sell down. Okay, so I would say they are still very weak. Okay, very weak. Okay, so back to the HSI. Let me see. Okay, HSI is here. Okay, if speaking about the rally, I can say they are still very strong. Okay, still very strong, but they are at the resistance now. Okay, if you remember what happened back in last year October, okay, last year October, they do have a very strong pull up, okay, with a very good news, okay, very strong pull up until 23.133 only, then they smashed down already. So this would be a very strong resistance, or consider a very extreme level for them. Okay, somebody want to sell here. Okay, by zooming out, we can see what happened back. Okay, historical resistance. Okay, 2022. Okay, March 2022, June, and also 2023, January. You can see these few years, they not able to clear this level lah. Okay, somewhere around 22.6k like that. Okay, so for me, okay, we can see since end of January, they already have a pull up. Okay, and recently you can see not much strength, especially yesterday, the closing looks like a shooting star, a light candle. So I think they need to take some rest, maybe go sideways dulu, and or have a healthier retracement before going up further. Okay, but next level is they need to break through to 23.133. Okay, if not able to clear, then tak cantik lah. Okay, if we agak-agak use a Fibonacci, okay, from the low to the high, the 0.618 is somewhere around 21.8k. Okay, so maybe we can, if they happen to retrace to here and get supported, okay, maybe I will give them a room lah here. Okay, I expect this is what I expect. They might retrace to here and here. Okay, if happen they retrace to here and get supported, I will say they are still in the bullish note. Okay, just a correction only. But if they break below here, 21.3k lah, 21.3k. If they close below, then most likely game over already lah. The trend sudah habis. Okay, so based on here, what I see is the strength, they need to take some rest. Okay, before going out further. Okay, so yeah, give them some time lah. Okay, so next one is the 9988 Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba still okay lah. Okay, previously our target was 114116, right? So you can see since 2022 okay, if compared with HSI actually 9988 already break through the major resistance. Okay, so you can see this one since 2022 they keep on getting resisted here, 114116. Okay, now already way above the resistance. So resistance turn support lah. So meaning that so long the price above 114, still good for them lah. Okay, finally they already 3 years already finally, okay, create a 3 years high already. Okay, so I will say they are still okay. Maybe short term they will face some profit taking activities. Okay, but if compared they looks stronger than HSI lah. Okay, so I would say so long above 114, I am still bullish on them. And yeah, of course, our market will have the volatility. Maybe they will have some profit taking activities, go sideways, okay, sleep a while, then still got chance to continue go up. So I am still bullish on them lah. Okay, until they break down lah. Okay, break down 114, then touch until low. Okay, GLXT. Okay, looks like 恭喜发财 but not lah. Okay, so this one, first day sell down on 2023. Okay, so now what we can see on the pattern. Okay, this GLXT, since last year August until now, they are still in a sideways mode. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to have a breakout. Okay, they need to break out above 215. Baru ada room to jalan lah. Okay, by zooming in, we can see they have multiple attempts lah. Okay, back in December. Okay, they do have an attempt to break through 215, but fail lah. Then continue sideways. Today another high volume attempt to break out, tapi macam not much strength lah. So I believe they are still in the sideways and pending for the confirmation lah. If they can break through 215, good for them. Okay, if not, continue sideways lah. Okay, if you're interested, make sure they don't go below 1900, then okay lah. Okay, next one, MN Holding. MN Holding next hour. Okay, MN Holding is still okay. Okay, even though these few days you can see they are more on sideways, not much volume, but today's the volume improved. Okay, looks like not too bad. Okay, at least they try. Okay, at least they break out above 110 with slight higher volume lah. Okay, based on here, I think, okay, of course we need to respect here lah. 115 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, which is today extreme level lah. Today high is 115. So take note on here because back in January 21, 22, they do resisted a bit. Okay, so this will be your immediate resistance 115. And next one you can see they do have a gap down. Okay, back in the 13th of January. So we can assume they might need to fill the gap. Okay, 120, 122. So this would be your R2. Okay, so this would be your R1. Okay, this will be your mini R1. But if you don't want this as your immediate resistance, you can use 120, 122 as your R1 first. And okay, we'll use the all-time high lah. I mean the previous high lah. Okay, so it's a 130. So 115, 120, 122, and 130. R1, R2, R3. And as long as they are above 110, I think they do have strength to break through 115. But if they close below 110, I think susah a bit. Okay, they may need to go sideways. Okay, this is a short-term point of view lah. Okay, how about the CBHB? I see nothing. It's too new already. Okay, it's too new already. Okay, and not much volumes. If we zoom in, we can see actually recently they don't have much volume, and this counter is very new counters. Okay, I can't see much information. Okay, so their first date was somewhere around 15 or 16 of January. Okay, then about 1 month only lah. So we can see they not really going anywhere, and also not much volume. So very difficult for me to do any analysis on these counters. Okay, so the only resistance I can give you is a 320, 340, and 370. Okay, this one nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet. Okay, how about the KLCC? Wow, okay, they already hit the peak. Okay, but usually like this one is a REITs, right? Usually REITs I think my opinion technical is a little bit difficult to read. Okay, So what we can use is we can use technical to time the entry only lah. Okay, so this one we can see they are still in a good uptrend. High volume here. So this would be your support 788 788. Okay, recently they are a little bit topish. Then they retrace a bit. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what you want on these counters, but if speaking about the overbought, I would say a little bit overbought. Maybe they might come back down to retest a 20 or 50 MA. So you can see throughout the trend, actually they quite like to stick around 20 or 50 MA. So I think eventually they might come back to revisit 8 ringgit. Okay, somewhere around that lah. 8 ringgit plus minus, maybe until 788 like that. Okay, so yep, just like that lah. Okay, but short term, mid term, long term, they are still fine. Okay, they are still fine. Okay, Affin Bank. Affin not so good lah. Affin already a warning Affin. Okay, so as we can see, Affin already break down below all moving averages. Recently just break below the 200 MAs. Okay, which is a little bit in danger lah. Okay, a little bit in danger. Okay, so you take note on 275. Okay, if happen they close below 275 memang tak cantik lah. Okay, they might go to 260 level. Okay, so based on what I see is they break quite few crucial support, which is 285 and 280 already. Okay, now at another support. Okay, close another support 275. If they close below, lagi close below, I think they might come back to revisit here. Okay, here got a small gap, and also previously was a resistance turn support somewhere around 260. Okay, so for me, I think Affin is a little bit weak. Okay, a little bit weak. Hong Leong Bank, HLB. Okay, let me see. Okay, Hong Leong Bank, on the other hand, they are still alright. Okay, at least the price is still above 200 MAs. So long above 1970, still okay lah. So 1970, 20 ringgit is the support. So yeah, at least the price also above 2050 MA and now at the 100 MAs. So if compared, Hong Leong is stronger. Okay, just you can see lah, the pattern a bit boring. Okay, almost from September until now, actually they're not really going anywhere. They just go sideways macam ini only. Okay, so you can see the price macam every day 20 ringgit plus minus like that only. Okay, so price movement point of view, of course, is boring lah. Okay, so trend point of view, they are still okay. So long they are above 1970, I would say they are still in a bullish note lah. Okay, how about the ENO? Tak cantik. Okay, ENO, I think I have been warned. Okay, no good already lah, right? So few warning have been given okay, especially the 200 MAs they are unable to clear. Okay, the so-called mini uptrend channel already broke down. Okay, so few warning already given. Okay, somewhere around 90 cents also. Okay, when they break below 90 here. Okay, here also some warning already lah. 920 910 90 cents is a warning already. So you can see today another smash down. Okay, now at the immediate support, which is a very crucial support for ENO already. So you can see back in the 2024, they do supported here. And somewhere around August, okay, here August, they also supported here. Now at here. Okay, so it's like do or die level lah. Okay, if tomorrow they must say close below, if the closing price is below 815, memang tak cantik, very ugly already. But on the other hand, if managed to close bullish, maybe they still got a little bit hope of bouncing up. Okay, just like what happened back in 5th and 6th of August. Okay, they do have a strong sell down. Okay, the next day got some bullish candle and the volume not too bad. Okay, then market bounce up lah. Okay, so tomorrow we need a same scenario. Okay, we need a bullish buyer and high volume come in to rescue this level. Okay, otherwise I see more downside on the ENO lah. Okay, how about the tofu? Sudah pecah. Okay, tofu, if we zoom out, this is a support since January 2023 until now. Okay, it's 165. And today, tofu break down below 165, closing 159. Okay, based on here, they already break below the very crucial support already. Okay, based on here, the next support is a 150, which was a 2022 bottom. Okay, 150. So we see any support over there. Okay, overall is in a bad shape as well. How about the SFP? Wah, ini lagi jalan. Okay, this SFP tag, I think a lot warning has to be given now. Okay, right? Unable to go through 200 MAs. First warning. Okay, second warning, breakdown already. 590 breakdown already. No comeback. Yesterday, continue sell down, no recovery. Okay, so many chance to cut loss lah. Few times already. Okay, now another dip down. Okay, I yet to see any sign of rebounding, or we don't know where is the low lah. Okay, what we can see is where is the next potential support lah. Okay, this is support back in the 222 lah. 455. Sorry. 450 would be your next support, which I think they also got the chance to break down lah. 450, if they break down, 375. Okay, so the sell mode is still on. Okay, don't catch the falling knife. Okay, ATAMS. Okay, ATAMS back in Monday, they are still good looking. Okay, tapi today got a strong sell down lah. Okay, they break below 350 already. They also break below 335. Okay, not really in a good shape. Okay, but if we base on the technical, or maybe you can say the breakout trade. Okay, this is a sideway, right? So they break out, jalan, they come back to retest. Okay, for me it's already a cut because already below 200 MAs. Okay, tapi if you based on here, if you still want to give them a hope, take note on 315. Okay, if happen they close below 315, I think likely they might sideway around here. Okay, if they can stay above 315, maybe masih ada a little bit hope lah. Okay, how about the ECA? ECA also no good lah. Okay, breakdown all moving averages, breakdown 220, today closing 215. Okay, overall is weak, and they might revisit 20 cents or 195 level lah. Okay, ECA is still weak. SFP we covered already, so we go for Mala off. Mala off actually macam ini tengok tak berapa cantik already. Okay, because here they do have a bounce out, right? Here supposed to be a potential reaccumulation lah. Okay, but turn out they break down, so this could be a distribution level. Okay, just that they sell, then they feel, hey, this price not worth to sell, so they do the price bounce up and continue to sell above 865. Okay, then after they dispose all the tickets, maybe they continue to wash the price down lah. So based on here, I think it's not really a good sign. And if we base on the bigger pictures, we can see this is a first rebound level. Okay, they rebound to 985 and wash all the way down. Second rebound, they wash to the 925 level. So you can see the high is getting lower. Okay, nobody willing to buy at the higher price already. Okay, then the price wash down. So based on here, I think they might revisit 765 or 780. If they lagi break down, we may see more downside. Okay, even though maybe we can say now at the 200 MAs. Okay, if you want, you still can give them a last hope lah. Okay, but I would say not so positive already lah. Okay, if you're still interested, okay, take note on 820 already lah. Okay, but based on the structure analysis, I think likelihood they might wash down further. Okay, 820 lah, take note. Okay, how about the capital A? Capital A also tak berapa strong. Okay, as we can see, they do have a breakdown. Okay, they break down below 875. They break down 90 cents. Okay, this was supposed to be a support. Now they turn into resistance. Okay, so I think you can see here was a resistance, right? So they break out. Okay, so it turned into support. Now they break down again. Okay, and they turn into resistance. Okay, for me, it's not really a good sign, even though, last time I was expecting some opportunity at the 200 MAs, but now seems like not really in a good shape. Okay, even though recently they have a bounce up, but they get resisted. Okay, so based on here, I think tak berapa cantik yet. Okay, tak berapa cantik yet. Okay, they might go down further, maybe. So I think for these two, if you're interested to EP, maybe best if we wait for another few days. Maybe next week we see any chances lah. Okay, now not so convinced me yet lah. Okay, based on today price session. Okay, unless tomorrow have a good volume come in with a bullish candle, then you can consider. Okay, based on today's sentiment or the price session point of view, I still not so comfortable with them. Okay, how about the MSM? MSM. Okay, MSM, they do have a good breakout back then. Okay, but seems like they are not able to clear above the 159 level. Okay, they gonna wash down a bit. Today volume slightly higher. So they are coming back to retest the support. Okay, maybe I put here. Okay, so we can see this is a sideways. They test a resistance, come back down, sideways. Okay, then they break up. Now they come back down to test a support. Okay, so for MSM, you turn on the support first, 130 and 135. Stay above, maybe still ada chance. But if they break below, sorry, dah cantik already. They may continue sideways. Okay, so for the resistance, since here was a support, I think I do mention before 135. 143. Yeah, 143. 143 cannot break down. Tapi they break down already. So tak berapa cantik. Okay, so last defense 130. So support turn resistance 143, 159, 170. R1, R2, R3. Okay, review MNRB Hibiscus Master. Okay, Ken. MNRB. Okay, consider uptrend for the longer term point of view. But if a shorter term point of view or mid-term point of view, they are in a sideways for these MNRB. So if speaking, they are in a danger, I think a little bit. Okay, but yeah, got few support you need to take note already lah. Okay, so maybe I will take note on the 2 ringgit level. So you can see back then, back in 2023 to 2024, they just pull up, sideways, pull up, sideways. Okay, but this time you can see they pull up. They have a long sideways. Okay, so if we base on the bigger trend point of view, yeah, of course they are still in a uptrend. Okay, because uptrend, sideways, uptrend, sideways, uptrend, sideways. Okay, now it's in a longer term period of sideways lah. So this one, you need to take note on 208 and 2 ringgit level. Okay, if happen they break down, memang tak cantik lah. The uptrend sudah habis. Tapi if they can stay above, continue sideways, maybe we can say they do have potential to come back again. Okay, if we zoom in further, we can see they are a little bit weak because the price is below all moving averages. Okay, compared to previously, you can when they go sideways, they are still above 200 MAs. They are still above 100 MAs. Okay, they are just a little bit struggle at 20 and 50 MA. Okay, here still okay, very clear cut, stay above all moving averages. Here a little bit struggle, but they are struggle in a short term line. Okay, now looks like they are a little bit struggle at the long term point of view. Okay, but the confirmation I would say 2 ringgit lah. Okay, breakdown memang tak cantik. Okay, so this one yeah, but now is in a sideways lah. You can see since last year they can sideways until today lah. Okay, but yeah, above 2 ringgit still okay lah, still okay. Hibiscus confirm is downtrend already lah. Confirm downtrend already. If we just, okay, let me delete all the lines. Okay, if we just based on the moving averages, we can see this one already below 200 MAs. Okay, since last year lah. Okay, when last year? Last year May, they already below 200 MAs. So you can see all these one, they are selling down. They are below all moving averages. So the bear is very strong. Okay, the bearish momentum is very strong. Okay, if speaking about the bullishness, okay, the uptrend was 2020 December until 2022 May. Okay, after that they have a big sell down and more on sideways, now more on the downtrend. So I would say they are still not really in a good shape, and they recently just broke below 2 ringgit. Okay, so maybe they might visit 15 something or 16 something. Yeah, on and off they will have some rebound lah. Okay, you can see when the market sell down too much, they will have a bounce up. When the market sell down too much, they will bounce up. Okay, sell down too much, they will bounce up. So here I think they also sell down too much already. Maybe, okay, they may have some short-term bounce up only. Okay, maybe bounce up to 180 or 190, then continue sell down. Okay, you can see the overall trend macam ini. Okay, so this is what we can expect lah, the overall market. Okay, they are more on downtrend now. Okay, how about the master pack? Okay, master pack, they are turning downtrend. Okay, let me delete all the lines. Okay, if we base on the bigger trend point of view, okay, they do have a good uptrend back in the 2019 until COVID time lah. Okay, so back in the 2019, they do have a big uptrend, then suddenly sell down. Okay, after that recovery and in a long sideway. Okay, until I think should be somewhere around near end of 2022, then they started to have a uptrend. So you can see from 2019 until 2024, they are in an uptrend. Okay, but recently you can see they have started to turn weaker. Okay, already below 200 MAs. So this one looks like it's in the beginning of turning downtrend. Okay, so a little bit weak lah. So I think they might come back to visit somewhere around 3 ringgit. Okay, but this counter is quite illiquid lah. You can see the chart lah, quite broken one. Okay, now the price, okay, based on the momentum point of view, they are in a downtrend. Okay, 10 on the next support is a 1 ringgit, resistance 350 lah. Oh, sorry, support 3 ringgit, resistance 350. Okay, Puppy Bank PPB. I think it's a Puppy Bank. Okay, PBB. Okay, Puppy Bank is still okay, even though they, okay, the only little concern is they went out with not much volumes lah. Okay, only. Okay, 10 on 457. Okay, this is your immediate resistance. 457 until 460 lah. Okay, as you can see, last year until now. Okay, I think October until now. Okay, so this would be a resistance and the support. Okay, on average they test here lah 440. So you can see actually from last year October until now, actually they are just trading within the box. So this time if they are able to pull up, you tenor on 457 and 460 as your immediate resistance. Cowspurt back to 20 MA. Okay, 200 MA, sorry. Okay, tenor on 1920. Okay, tenor on 1920 is your immediate support. Okay, I think previously I do mention the support is a 1950, 1920, but today they break down below 1950 already lah. So tenor on 1920 as your immediate support, and your next support would be 1870. 1870, 1850 would be your next support zone. Okay, next one. How to save KLSC is like in the deep shit now. How to save a KLCI? Yeah, we also don't know. We can't do anything. We only can follow the trend, and maybe we need to have some rate cut lah. Okay, cut some rate, and market will have more money supply. Maybe got chance to flow into market. But this is what our KLCI lah. Okay, usually they have a trend lah. Macam in 1 year, maybe they have a 7-8 months of bear, then maybe a 2-3 months of bull. Okay, this is the characteristic of our market. Okay, so Genting Malaysia still got game, still okay. Okay, because they just break out and they come back to retest a ideal support, which is a 235. So long they are above 230, still okay lah. Okay, so yeah, above 230, still okay. Okay, next one is a review JCY. View Tech Wong. Okay, no problem. Oh, JCY no good lah. JCY I think I do mention on Monday Tabagus already. Last week also mentioned Tabagus already. Okay, because they already below 200 MAs. Okay, they already break down. Okay, here they break down already, right? Here they recovery. Okay, they recover above. So ada chance lah. They jalan a bit only lah. Then here they break down again. Okay, now they lagi below. So based on here, JCY, I think they still got room to go down a little bit more, maybe to 37 something lah. Okay, if you notice, a lot of counters, they do have a quite similar pattern. Okay, and especially today, I saw quite a lot of counters, they break below support. Okay, so I think for KLCI, they need some time. Okay, they need to go sideways, wash out more people sideways, then they only can make a comeback. So maybe in short run, not many opportunities. Okay, usually these counters are still going up. Okay, still going up, but take note, one day this might happen. Okay, now they are still going up lah, right? So when this happen, you don't have chance to go out one. Okay, when this happen, they might easily come down maybe to 50 cents or 460 or 40 cents level. Okay, but you can see they are like, for me looks like a money game lah. Every day go up only, no seller one. Okay, when they lose control, they will sell down just like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure what you want on this. If you already in, yeah, congratulations. Okay, if you just plan to go in, no lah, this one. Okay, not for us to play. Okay, memang very susah this one. When they this one cannot read by fundamental. I mean cannot read by technical already. Okay, how about the Plytech? Okay, Plytech, take note on the support lah, 310 level. 30 cents kind of 30 cents okay. Hi. Short term also a little bit weak. Okay, short term also a little bit weak. But you can take note on 30 cents. Above, still okay. Okay, still ada a little bit hope lah. Tapi below 30 cents memang tak boleh already. Okay, now is in the first warning lah because they are below 200 MAs, below all moving averages. Okay, so next one is my EGQR good. Okay, sorry, I didn't read the fundamental, but it could be sell on news, right? So as we all know, QR, right? Quarter result, right? Like now is what? Now is February, right? Okay, usually they announce the QR back in maybe December. So in these 2 months, maybe a lot insider also know the result already. So maybe they pump ahead of the QR. Once the QR out, maybe they start to dispose. Okay, they sell on news. Also possible lah. Okay, this I not mean these counters. I mean some of the counters they might do this. Okay, so looks like 105 is a very hard resistance. Okay, this I do mention before. If we zoom out, we can see since 2021 until now. Okay, on average 105 is a hard resistance. Okay, if lucky, maybe they will go 110 like that lah. Okay, so but but I would say if speaking about the chances or the structure, maybe still alright. Okay, I will see until 940. Okay, if happen they wash down and stay above 940, I would say still at a chance. Okay, because the price is still above all moving averages, especially 940 is a 200 MAs. Okay, and if we draw like this, okay, not so nice lah. The level not so nice lah. But if we draw agak-agak macam ini okay, okay, this would be the support lah. And this is a expected level they might wash down somewhere around 940 lah. Stay above, I would say still cantik lah. Okay, tapi if they break down, then they might go back below 90 cents. Okay, Kosan. Wah, glove kena semua. Jialah, this one the wash very, I would say it's quite overreact based on what I see lah. Okay, looks lightly overreact. Okay, this is a sell down, right? So this is a pullback. Okay, unable to hold, they break down. So based on here, Kosan back then they do have a support zone around here, somewhere around 18 something to 17 something. So for those who are interested, okay, maybe I will put here 180, 170. Okay, I need you to monitor first. Okay, any support over there. Okay, so back in last year, July, August time, you can see they have a sell down. They do stabilize around here. Okay, now they have a sell down. So I expect they might come around here. Okay, if happen, they can stabilize here. 170, 180 is an ideal level to KIV. Tapi if 170 lagi breakdown, they have more room lah. Here got a gap. Okay, they might come back to fill the gap at 141 level. Okay, so don't jump in immediately unless you plan to do a multiple entry. Okay, otherwise monitor first. Any chances, any support over here, or any reversal signal. Hello Patrick. Okay, busy a bit, no problem. Okay, as long as come in support us, then okay already, and click a like also lah. Oh, PPB not PPB. Okay, later I see any Gtronic no good lah. Gtronic already broke down 50 cents, below 50 cents. Especially yesterday already. Actually yesterday is a cut already lah, because yesterday already officially break down 50 cents and the closing price was 470, and today another drop down. So if happen they can pull up a little bit, you can consider to reduce your losses. Okay, and yeah, this is the cons of playing the stocks that against us. Okay, because they are already below our already below 200 MAs. So what we bet on is just a potential reversal or the rebound, because the reward was good. Okay, right? So since already breakdown, we need to admit our wrong lah. Okay, so temporarily we need to escape first until we see something. Okay, so the next support could be wow, very far low, this one. 2012 350 possible. So don't pray dah cantik already. Okay, if happen they can rebound up a little bit more, you can consider to reduce your losses. Okay, check PPA PPA Pentec. Okay, let's go for our PPA first. PPA also tak berapa cantik they already break below 200 MAs So based on here, I think they might come back down to fill the gap. 178, 175 would be your support. Okay, would be your support. Okay, since they break down the crucial resistance, okay, which 208 will turn into the resistance. Okay, Pentec. Okay, let me find Pentec also tak cantik lah. Okay, Pentec already below all moving averages. When I see this all, I very sad. Looks like I am going to jobless like that. All counters are also into downtrend. Okay, now Pentec already below all moving averages. So, okay, support turn resistance now. Okay, 90 cents 920 would be your R1 R2, and the next support could be 850 and 80 cents. Okay, I think they still got room to drop lah. Okay, based on what I see here. Tak berapa cantik. Okay, SPLG let me see Okay, should be this one. Okay, still very bullish overseas punya moon is rounder our moon sudah koyak ini. Okay, overall this one is still very bullish. So I think they are already at the all-time high lah. Okay, so this one I only can use a Fibonacci to do some projection. I use a recent low. Next level is a 7845. Okay, this one usually no problem lah, I think. Okay, unless market crash, then you only got chance lah. 6888 and 67 would be your S1 S2. Okay, resistance 7850. Okay, overall they are still in a bullish note. Okay, PPB let me find PPB group. Oh, do nothing is better lah, this one. Hey, these counters okay, I don't know what counter is it, but based on the price, 10 ringgit plus should be a good counters lah. Okay, but you can see since when 2020 until now actually they are getting weaker Oh, you can see they are not managed. Okay, they not managed to go up higher. Okay, before 2020 these counters I would say it's a good counters because been uptrending for so many years. But after 2020 you can see actually they are turning weak. Okay, some more recently they break down crucial support and continue to dive down. Okay, based on this I think memang tak good lah. Okay, memang no good lah. Okay, this one long term point of view I think the fundamentally also tak berapa cantik lah. Okay, I think they could visit somewhere around 10 ringgit or 950 like that. Okay, and technical point of view, the bear is still in control. Okay, I yet to see any chances of rebounding or reversal. Okay, not yet. MRCB. MRCB also below 200 mAh. So, 小心 Okay, take note Okay, so maybe I put a 480 as a last defense for you. Okay, because sorry. Okay, now they already give you a lot of warning already First warning, breakdown below 200 mAh. Second warning, breakdown. Okay, the price already below all moving averages. Okay, now is at the last warning. Okay, last defense, 480. Okay, was a resistance, turn support, now at the support. If they break below 480, memang no good lah. Okay, they may go to 40 cents or even lower. So this one also need to 小心 a bit. Okay, be careful Okay, B Auto also habis lah this one. Okay, B Auto also give a lot warnings before lah. Okay, here is a first warning when they break 200 mAh. Okay, second warning when they break here 1952 ringgit. Okay, now they also break 160. They break 140 again. Okay, so you can see jialat this one. Today another dive down. So based on here, the bear is still in control. They might go somewhere around 105 or 1 ringgit level. Okay, so bear is still in control. Okay, don't go and grab lah. Okay, this one also lah. Okay, Mr. DIY. Breakdown 200 mAh. Retest, not able to clear. 177 also breakdown. Okay, many chance to escape already. So now continue to dive down and back to the 2023, 2024 support 136. Okay, so quite disappointing based on the performance. Okay, you can see the first year was very good. Okay, why good? Because everyone know what is Mr. DIY lah. Okay, But in fact, they gonna wash down. Okay, found a bottom, bounce up, no strength, continue to dive down. So now they back to the support 136. If they break below 136, I think they might back to the IPO price lah. Okay. So retailers love to buy it maybe because they know the counters. Okay, they know the company only. Okay, I don't know lah. Okay, next one is a MISC. MISC also sudah breakdown 200 MAs, retest fear. Okay, this one is a back to last year lah. Rebound no strength kena sell, rebound no strength kena sell. Okay, now at the support lah. Okay, now at least they found a minor support. 705, 710. Okay, if they break down, more downside. Okay, Kitakon. Okay, you see the name got con. Not yet con. Okay, not yet con yet. Okay, so they are at least they are still in the uptrend. So this one, I would say 10 on 70 cents, 720. So long they are above, still okay lah. But this counter is quite illiquid, so it's quite, I would say it's quite volatile. Okay, easily to be manipulated. Maybe the price. Okay, Kosan become 过山车. Yeah, not only Kosan, I think Top Glove also too cool already. Top Glove, Glove all. I feel the market macam overreact lah. Okay, so when the glove price started to stabilize, I think it's still worth to KIV them lah. Okay, EATech yesterday they break through the 330. Okay, after a long consolidation lah. Right, finally they break up. So today another small push up. So based on here, I think we can see next resistance 370 lah. Today closing 355. Okay, Intel. Okay, let me see if I can find Intel operation. After okay lah, I think this one also they already jialat already. Okay, need the government to help them. Okay, so based on here, Intel or actually if we zoom out, Intel is in the downtrend since 2021. Okay, here is still okay. They are still in the peak. Okay, tapi here started to turn weak. Okay, back in 2023, they do have a small uptrend. Tapi continue sell down. So you can see the overall structure actually for Intel is maybe the upside is temporarily. Okay, we trade them as temporarily lah. So we can see since last year, maybe somewhere around August until now, they are still in a sideway. Okay, and finally they do break up. Okay, break up from the sideway and break up 200 MAs. So technical point of view, good for them. Okay, but also take note on the gap. Okay, they have a gap down back in the 2nd of August. So now they are going up to fill the gap 2880. Okay, take note on here. If they can break through, you look back. Okay, what happened back in July 2024. Okay, they also have a sideway. They also push up, fill the gap. Okay, not really lasting for a few days. They sell down already. Okay, this one is a small case lah. Okay, now it's a bigger. So we see how it's going. Okay, maybe they might shoot up more than $28.8. Okay, if cannot sustain, they might back to square. Okay, so now short term, I will see they are still bullish lah. Okay, still bullish. Okay, UUE. Let me see why is that. UUE holding new counters back in July. Okay, less than a year. Recently they have a pump up back to the previous peak, then gonna wash down already. Recently not much volume as well lah. This one. So support take note 755. So I assume they might go sideways. If 755 break down, they will have more downside lah. Maybe 70 cents or 680. Okay, Dayang. Okay, Dayang also give you few warning already, right? So first thing first, break 200 MAs, retest, not able to clear. Okay. Then second signal, okay, second warning when they break below 208. Okay, third warning now, they are still above 2 ringgit. If they break down 2 ringgit, okay, memang they will have more downside. Okay, so now all signal or indicator already showing that actually they are not really in a good shape lah. So 2 ringgit will be your last defense already. Once breakdown, I think they may go to 180 or even lower. Okay, last one. Maybank. Maybank macam not really impact with the so-called news. Okay, they are still in an uptrend. I heard, if not mistaken, yesterday come out with some bad news about the management, right? So market, they do have some panic sell. Okay, until 1040. Then by end of day, they recovered like nothing happened. Okay, so today neutral. So for me, no impact lah. Okay, based on the price, still okay. So I think everyone know this is no matter who are the management, this company is still intact lah, still make money punya lah. So 1030, 104 is a support zone. Okay, stay above, I think is still alright lah. So even though with those bad news, right? So market looks like nothing happened lah. Okay, only got a little bit panic, but end of day they will feel nothing much lah. No matter who be the management, okay, this tiger still can make money punya lah. So yeah, they come back lah. Okay, if this happen back to the other small company, confirm limit down or continue sell down. Okay, if this things happen to other companies, okay, especially a small company, okay, a small listed company lah, confirm kena limit down or what. But on the blue chips like this, okay, no matter who be a CFO or CEO, also make money one mah. Okay, just more or less only mah. Okay, now market looks like nothing much happened. They recovered and still strong. Okay, still very strong. So nothing much. Okay, not much impact lah. Okay, and even myself go to be a CFO, I think still okay. This company still can make money. Every day I go shake leg. Still okay. Okay, tofu tablet. Tofu breakdown. Crucial level 165. So next level, take note on 150 level. So this one, wait for them to found a support. Okay, 154. Okay, a lot of counters today face a strong sell. So what I suggest is wait for them to stabilize. Okay, unless tomorrow got a strong price action with high volume comeback. Okay, we need a big buyer comeback. Okay, if a small buyer come back, then just ignore lah. Okay, not sustainable. Okay, we need to wait for the big boys. Big boys come back with high volumes. Then only follow them lah. Otherwise, not worth to try at any support. Okay, Genting Malaysia recently just break up 200 MAs. So as I mentioned before, take note on 235 and 230. Okay, stay above, still positive lah. Okay, tapi if they go below 230, then susah lah. Maybe market no good, everyone go to Genting Malaysia, try some luck lah. Okay, so they jalan sikit lah. Okay, so take note lah, above 230, then okay lah. Okay, so that's all for tonight lah. So yeah, thank you for Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. So for those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, and we see you on next Monday, right? Okay, February, right? Okay, 24th. Okay, we see you on next Monday. Hopefully by then market sentiment come back a bit. Okay, at least we got something to KIV lah. Okay, tonight no case studies to KIV. Okay, I see most of counters are not so confident lah. So yeah, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Okay, market always there, so we just wait until the big buyer come in, then we only join them lah. So yeah, sometimes doing nothing is doing something as well. Okay, if you yet to download, join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code, and if I see any good case studies, okay, maybe I will try to share in there lah. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and thank you everyone, and yeah, good night. Okay, thank you.